sorry, but you have no time left to live. We decided to get you a Make-A-Wish.
There, Susie. Everything's gonna be okay. In heaven, no one coughs. You're gonna be a happy, jolly soul soon. I have a present for you. Follow me into the dream world, my child. Let's go. Come on. Welcome to the dream world. I'm the beer that is here to guide you.
I thought you were a bear.
No, I think I was definitely a beer. I don't remember being anything else but a beer.
No, that's not right.
I swear, I'm the beer.
No.
You're the captain now. You're the captain of this dream. You're
No.
the captain of this adventure.
No, you're the bear.
You're going places.
You're the bear. You're the bear. You're the bear. Take this mask off.
I'm
Take
the
this
beer.
mask
I'm
off.
the beer.
I knew it. You're the bear.
I've always been the bear. When have I ever told you any different, Susie?
You just said you're the beer.
I've never said that. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't lie to you, Susie.
I don't understand.
Susie's gone mad! There, Susie.
Another one gone.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
What's up?
I'm sorry to inform you, but Susie's gone.
What?
First your father, then your sister. I'm sorry to break it to you, but I think your family's cursed.
How are you doing?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm not doing too great. Ever since my sister died, I don't know. Like, all my family have just died of just random seizures in their sleep, and
Yeah, I heard that was going around. Yeah, it's probably nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I bet. I don't know. It's just like I hope it isn't like I hope it doesn't run in the family. I really don't want to die from a seizure in my sleep. Like, how would I know it's coming?
I guess you never know what will happen. But,
Yeah.
what's really the worst that could happen?
No, yeah. You're right. You're right. I'll be fine. So, yeah, about my family.
Is anyone here a doctor?
I'm Guy Fieri. This is Diners, Drive-Ins and Dives, and I'm a doctor. Can I help you, son? Are you choking? Don't fall asleep, buddy. Can I help you out, buddy? Don't fall asleep, buddy. No!
Where am I? What is this?
We just met tonight, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with her. She has her nose ring and her 8 tattoos. Yeah, I think she's so cool.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, this is him. Yeah, so I think everything's been really great recently. I just met someone and I think I might be in love. It is real. She loves me. I love her. You can't tell me it's not real. She's real. I love her. I've touched her. I can see her with my own 2 eyes. She's not fake. She's not in my imagination. You're the crazy one.
I was thinking about your situation, and I just thought I'd refer you to this psychiatrist I know. But you'll probably be all right. What's the worst that could happen? You know?
Hello? No, not right now. I'm too busy. Okay, I have a client coming in. Okay, he's on something new. He's gonna be a major breakthrough for me. Okay, I'm too busy for this. I gotta go right now. Okay, I don't have time for this. Okay, I really got something very important. Okay, who's there?
It's me.
Who?
It's me.
Okay. Why no shoes?
Why would I wear shoes?
This is my space. You know, people wear shoes here.
I thought you were accepting of all kinds of people.
Okay, just come in. So why are you here?
Well, so you know that girl, right? I've been
Yeah.
seeing this girl, and I think things are going really well. I know you told me she isn't real, but I don't know. I think she is. I think you're the crazy one.
You have to know this. It's not real.
No, it is. It's all real.
I know you have this thing, you know, you can't tell what's not real and what's real, but this is just not real.
This conversation isn't?
This is not real.
Yeah.
Hello? I can hear you. No, I can hear you. Why can you hear me? What's your name? My name? Why do you want to know my name? I don't know who you are. 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 I don't know who you are.
When the snow is gone, we'll all rise, arise, arise, arise. When the snow is gone, you will all rise.
They say you aren't real. Don't listen to them. What's that? You are real? You are real. I know you are. I'll always love you.
Hello? I have bad news. I'm looking through all my papers here. You're declining at a rapid pace. We really gotta get a handle on this.
I'll be there right now.
You know how bad I want you.
It's just getting so much worse. I don't know.
Hello?
Come in.
Hi. What do you need me here for?
You're getting worse.
What do you mean I'm getting worse?
Yeah,
What's wrong with me? There's nothing wrong with me.
There's so much. There's too much. There's too much you don't know.
What do you
You will
mean?
never. Everything that you see right now, it's not real.
What about all the colors? What about all the lights?
You're dreaming.
What about you? Why do you have my girlfriend?
It's not real.
What do you mean? She's real. What? Stop touching her. Let me have her.
No.
Give her to me. Why do you have her? Give her back.
Wake up.
I'm not dreaming.
Wake.
Give me her.
up.
Give me her. Give me my girlfriend.
Wake up.
I got you a rose.
You've fuck hard.
Push my vomit down the drain. Think of my body getting hit by a train. Always want but never need. Don't have an identity I can feed.
That was great. I gotta call. Hello. You have to know that I'm not going to be able to come. I have so much.
I can feed. I like to think I'm doing just fine. I like to search my symptoms online. I liked it when the voices were gone. I like to be with you all alone. Around my neck a friendly machine pretends to wipe my memory clean, pretends to make it all go away, pretends to make me feel quite okay. I like to think I'm doing just fine. I like to search my symptoms online. I liked it when the voices were gone. I like to be with you all alone. Around my neck a friendly machine pretends to wipe my memory.
Song idea. No Place to Be, opening line. Labor Day came and I still haven't landed. Based on Nick Drake's A Place to Be. Work out the chords.